this new update is for already monetized channel. I mean, people who are already on the YouTube YPP program. YouTube just dropped an update. My God, YouTube is just making it much more difficult and difficult and difficult by the day, guys. Now, those who are already on the YPP program, YouTube monetized program already, now has a requirement as well. YouTube has mentioned that starting from the 1st of February 2027, if your channel has been monetized, you have to meet up with 1,000 watch hour in 12 months, 365 days. Or you have 1 million shots in 90 days. Or you have 2 long form videos or 5 shots in 90 days. Failure to meet up with all of these guys, you have 90 days that will be given to you to meet up with all of these requirements, or you will be chased out of the YouTube partnership program, meaning your channel will be demonetized and you won't be able to make money on YouTube again. That is a lot, guys. A lot. I feel like this YouTube thing is getting difficult by the day. Trust me. It is. Because now, if you are lazy on this YouTube thing, then you have no chance to be making money on YouTube. Sincerely speaking, if you can't keep up with the pace, then it's going to be a difficult thing. If you are not consistent, it's going to be a difficult thing. If you are lazy, it's going to be a difficult thing. YouTube has now made this thing to just look like you have a daily job now. Like you are there now trying your possible best to get a video, to get monetized. After getting monetized, you start the race of trying to meet up every year, every month to remain in the YouTube partnership, and you don't want to move out of that, and that pushes you to do more. That pushes you to be consistent. I think that's just what YouTube is trying to achieve, because I just feel, I don't know, that some people are on the partnership program already, but they're just there for just being their sake. They are not consistent. They are not doing the right thing they're supposed to do, and they're just there like figureheads. Oh my, this thing is going to now make people start running the race, doing the job, putting in the job, putting in the hard work. YouTube doesn't want you to come on YouTube no more and just sit down there and not putting in the work. They don't want lazy people there no more. They want you to be consistent, hardworking, and putting out value. Yes, value. Imagine when they said, or if you don't meet up with 1,000 watch hour in a month, in 365 days, that's 12 months. Then you have to meet up with 1 million shots in 90 days. If you don't meet up with 1 million shots in 90 days, then you have to meet up with 2 long form videos in 90 days. If you don't meet up with 2 long form videos in 90 days, then you have to meet up with 5 shots in 90 days. And if you don't meet up with all of this, horse, they now give you 90 days to meet up with all of this. And if you still don't meet up with all of this in 90 days, then you'll be out of the YouTube partnership program. Boom. Oh my. This is going to keep a lot of people on their toes, That's just the new update for monetized channel. The previous one we had was for channels that have not yet been monetized. But now we have updates for monetized channel. Guys, that's it. I wish everyone of us good luck. That's all I can say. Bye.